Hey guys, it's me, Kayla Patrice. If you don't know, well, now you know. And if you're returning, then hey, thanks for coming back to my channel. So today I have this cute little get ready with me on how I did this little sleek back bun and my makeup. If you guys want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Alright, so I'm going to do a middle part, and before I put the beeswax in my hair, I am going to pull out my edges, and then after that, I'm going to go ahead and take the Murray's beeswax. Listen y'all, I hate beeswax with a passion, but this is the only thing that's gonna hold my hair down. And then I'll just add as I need it. Okay, so I'm just going to put a rubber band on it for right now. That way I can kind of get it out of the way. And then I'll work on like these areas here that I need to get down. So for that, I'm going to use the Murray's Edge Wax. Alright y'all, so then I'm gonna take some Pump It Up. I'm just gonna spray it in my hand. Alright, so now that it's nice and sleek and how I want it, I am going to get some Pump It Up. Rub it in my hands, and I'm going to lay it along where I need it to stay down. I must admit though, Pump It Up and beeswax are like a great combination if you want to really get your hair smooth and slick. It's a really good combo. So now I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to tie down the front, and I'm going to move on to the makeup. So the first thing I'm going to use is the PATRCIE Major Brow Lamination Gel. I did put stuff on my face, so I just went ahead and cleaned off my brow area, as this product does work best when there's like nothing on that area. I literally love this stuff. This stuff is so bomb. So I'm just going to use the MAC Studio Fix NC45 concealer to carve out my brow. So what I'm going to do instead is I'm just going to go in with my NYX brow pen and do the hairs that way. Okay, I think I'm gonna do maybe just like a pink look, because I am wearing pink today, so I guess I'll just do that. So I'm gonna use my P. Louise base shade number 4 to prime my eyes with the 7071 brush. This is the P. Louise Stack 'em Up palette. Looks like this, super pretty. And I'm just gonna go for it. I don't really know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just go for it, but I am going to start out with No Limits, which is this dark, I guess it's like a purple maroon shade. And I am going to put it in the crease. I think I kind of want to do something a little blown out today, so I just applied that with the Morphe M506 brush, and now I'm going to take the MAC 221 brush. I'm going to take Money Tones, which is this pink here, and I'm just going to use that to blend on the edges of the No Limits. Alright y'all, so I'm just kind of like throwing the colors on there before I go ahead and blend them all out. So now I'm just going to go in with the Morphe M573 brush, and I'm going to use Go Figure and Investment, which is this lighter pink at the top. I'm gonna mix the two together, and this is going to be like my blend out color for the Money Tones. Yeah, I'll just use the Investment. I'm just going to re-intensify all the shades that I used. And then I'm just going to kind of go back and add where I see fit. So I'm just really going to go back and forth. So for my lid, I think I want to go in with Profit, which is this shade here. So to apply that, I'm going to use my MAC 252. Alright y'all, so this is what it's looking like so far. And then I'm going to go ahead and take dollar signs and put that like at my brow bone. And then I'm just going to go back in with No Limits on a Morphe M506 and blend the No Limits and the Profit together. So for liner, I'm going to go in and use my Clinique Pretty Easy liquid liner. I'm gonna go in with, who is this by? Sheen Cosmetics Epic Liner in the shade Orchid. Okie dokie. So, I love it. I love it. I love it. It looks so cute. I love it so much. Okay. Anyways. So, I think I'm going to take this off because, nah, I'm going to leave it on. Whatever. Okay. So I'm going to go in with the Kindle lashes from Balm Extensions. I'm going to apply these. I'm going to switch my camera battery because it's about to die. And then we're going to come back to do the rest of the face. Alright y'all, so lashes are on. And we're going to get started with the face now. So to prime my face, I'm going to go in with my Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. Wow, y'all, this foundation is nice. So now I'm gonna take the Lancome Tint Idol concealer. I got the shade 420. So while I'm waiting for that concealer to kind of set up a little bit, I'm going to use my Peaches in Cream Shade 2 Cream Contour. Love this stuff, it's amazing. Okay y'all, so this concealer is bomb. It's not like super thick. Well, it's not thick at all, it's super thin actually, so it just blends into the skin like seamlessly, and it's minimal creasing, like it's not really creasing. So this concealer is bomb. So for blush, I'm gonna go in with the P. Louise Basic Bright. I'm gonna use Pretty in Pink and Pretentious Peach. I think that's what it's called. Pretentious Peach and Pretty in Pink. And I'm just gonna mix the two together. Alright y'all, so why does this base look so dang on flawless? So to set everything, I'm gonna use my Patrick Star One Size powder, setting powder in translucent. I'm gonna make sure all of these little creases under my eye are blended out because we don't want to set those. Both of the concealers that I use are super thin. The Lancome one had nice coverage. It wasn't as full coverage as the Hourglass one, but it still had super great coverage. And both of these concealers are thin, which I like, which means it's not going to be a lot of like creasing because we don't like no creases. Okay, so I'm just going to set my under eye with the powder. Alright y'all, so boom, everything's sitting. This freaking face looks so flawless. Like it just looks so flawless. Like I cannot believe how flawless this looks. Alright, so I'm using my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in dark with a Real Techniques. I think it's just like their powder brush. Oh, it's a blush brush, but I'm gonna use it for like powder. Then I am going to go in with my Juvia's Place, this Hair and Blush Volume 1 palette, and I'm going to use Toby, this orange one, with the same brush that I was just using. I love blush like on my nose for some reason. It just looks so freaking cute. And then with that same brush again, I'm going to go in with the Glamour Bronze Phenom bronzer from Morphe, my favorite bronzer of all time. So I'm just going to kind of go over everything here, and this will kind of help to blend like that line in as well, and give some color back to my face. I was looking a little crazy. I'm gonna go ahead and do my lips, and then I'm gonna finish off my hair. So for lip, I'm going to do Lime Crime Velveteen Lip Liner in Bittersweet, which is like a brown liner. So for lip, I'm gonna go ahead and use the Anastasia Undress Gloss. Alright, so this is what it looks like so far. I'm just gonna go ahead and add a little bit of highlighter. And for that, I'm going to use the Laura Mercier Addiction Highlighter. love these highlighters, and I'm so sad that, oh, you know what, I lied, that's Becca I'm thinking of, because I was gonna say I'm so sad that they're going away, but no, Lord Mercy is not going away. So yeah, never mind. But I love these highlighters. They literally look like skin. It's not like, do you see this? Like, it literally just looks like you're going within. I love that for me. Alright, y'all. So then now I'm just gonna go ahead and finish off my hair. I'm trying to debate, what the heck? I'm trying to debate on if I need to, yeah, I do need to use a little something to keep them down. Okay, so I'm gonna use my, what the hell, come out? Oh, that's kind of cool. I'm gonna use my Evan 24-hour edge tamer. I'm not gonna use a lot because I would hate for this to curl up on me after I just spent my hard-earned time. So I'm really kind of only gonna use what I need of it, and then go from there. So boom, that's what we're looking like. So now I have this ponytail in the bag, and all I'm gonna do is I don't know if y'all can see, but take it, kind of like wrap it around itself. Oh, hold on. So this is the part where I kind of just have to play with it, because I mean it's definitely gonna be a little bun. I don't want to. I mean, this ain't gonna be a big bun because my hair not even that long, but yeah. Okay. So there's my bun. Y'all, so this is what it looks like, the final look. I feel like a freaking baddie. It just looks bomb. The foundation looks amazing. It's super smooth. So it's super smooth. Like, my skin looks like, it just looks flawless. Like, the concealers look flawless. Like, everything just looks so flawless and so like perfect. I'm gonna zoom y'all in a little bit on the eyes so you all can get like a glimpse of what it looks like close up. Alright, so I hope y'all enjoyed. If y'all liked the video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Follow me on Instagram. All my Instagrams, I'll put them in the I'll put them in the video somewhere, or down below, or both. One of those, or both of those. So I'll see y'all in my next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.